My name is Ben Bowman. I'm a mechanical engineering major and I should be graduating during the spring of 2026. The Keep Me Kettering scholarship has impacted my growth at Kettering by really motivating me to keep putting my best effort forward.
My name is Mariah Davis. My class standing is a senior 2. The scholarship impacted my personal growth by allowing me to not worry about financial issues and to be able to be more involved in school.
Besides the financial aid that the scholarship provided me, it really made me feel connected to Kettering and welcomed here.
Because of the Keep Me Kettering scholarship that you guys are donating to, you're not only giving a chance to somebody else to stay in school, but you're also giving them a chance to have a life outside of school as well.
I just want to express my appreciation and gratitude, and it really shows a lot of how Kettering functions. I'm a true believer that Kettering offers a lot of great opportunities to the students, and so long as you're willing to say yes and accept them, they'll do wonders for you. And I want to thank all the donors who have opened up all those opportunities for me and all the future students to come.
I just want to say thank you guys to donating to Keep Me Kettering.
This is Kettering Built. I am Kettering Built.